Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is internal wall plastering. As you can see, this needs plastering. You can contact us for a project. You can see the piping work has been done before the plastering. This is the dining area. This is the dining area. You can see the finishing for the arc design. You can see the plastering well range. You can see the finishing well range. Yeah, check out the dressing for the window. Check out the dressing for the window area. You can see the neat job we have here. You can contact us on the 08063098718. Yeah, if you want to do POP selling, you don't need to do the decking plastering. You don't need to do the plaster for the decking. That will be wasting of money. All what you need is just cover it all with POP or dry drywall or gypsum ceiling design. You can see the dressing of the window, very perfect. When it dried, everything will white together. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. You see, we didn't shine the kitchen because the tiles is still coming there. You can see, just rub the face. And the tiles is coming there. You can see the decking. We didn't do the plastering because POP is still coming there. The piping work has been done. As you can see, this is the store. You can see the store. You can see we shine the store and then it's properly ranged. You can call Adon James on 08063098718. Give you the best. This is the toilet. You can see this is toilet. You can see this is the toilet. This is the bed. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is bedroom area. You can see. Thank you. God bless you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.